Back at the Speedo shop, '07 to '13 GMC and Chevrolet pickups. You got your climate control here. If you can't see this display during the daylight hours and it's very dim at night, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Just to keep from scratching this display, I do put a cloth down. Now I spray this with static guards so we don't have any static electricity there that will damage the circuit. I mean, these are pretty durable. They're in trucks that likely shock you when you get out of them anyway. But just start by taking out these Torx bits. I have a 9, but it's actually a T10 for these. Pull those out and let's get this thing apart. Grab your trusty spoon here and just get these little tabs out. Go ahead and pull your cover off. And this piece just lifts up and you can unplug this right here. Pull this rubber off. Once you have this board separate, reflow all these resistors along here and here. You can't see it in the film, but there is some migrated solder or cracked solder joints on the edges of these, which will result in a dimmer display. See how that one moved right there? That's going to be one of the major issues here. Whenever you apply heat to these things, if they move right away, you might not even see the crack. But that thing wasn't even hardly attached to the PCB anymore.